Welcome to this meditation for clearing emotional blocks. Find a comfortable position where you can fully relax. Allow your body to settle and let your shoulders gently drop away from your ears. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. As you exhale through your mouth, feel your body becoming heavier and more grounded. Breathe in again, drawing in fresh, cleansing energy. As you exhale, release any tension you've been holding. Continue breathing naturally and deeply. Now bring your awareness to your body. Notice if there are any areas where you feel tightness or discomfort. These sensations often indicate where emotional energy has become stuck. As you continue breathing deeply, imagine your breath as a gentle wave of light moving through your body. With each inhale, this light grows stronger and moves toward any areas of tension or blockage. With each exhale, picture these blocked emotions beginning to soften and dissolve. They no longer need to remain trapped within you. Focus now on your heart center. Place one hand gently over your heart if that feels comfortable. Feel the warmth of your hand as you breathe into this area. Imagine your heart surrounded by a soft, healing light. This light begins to dissolve any barriers or walls you've built around your emotions. There's no need to analyze or understand. Simply allow these old emotions to be released. As you continue breathing, visualize these released emotions transforming into light particles that float away from your body. They're being returned to the universe, no longer weighing you down. Feel a sense of spaciousness beginning to grow within you. Where there was once heaviness, there is now lightness. Where there was restriction, there is now freedom. With your next breath, imagine fresh, revitalizing energy flowing into these cleared spaces within you. This energy brings renewal and possibility. Feel your emotional channels opening, allowing feelings to move through you naturally rather than becoming stuck. You are creating a healthy flow of emotional energy. Take a moment to recognize the courage it takes to release old emotions. You are creating space for new experiences and deeper connections. As we prepare to conclude this practice, know that you can return to this visualization anytime you feel emotionally blocked or burdened. Your breath is always available as a tool for release and renewal. Begin to deepen your breathing slightly, bringing more awareness to your physical surroundings. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, reawakening your body. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying with you this sense of emotional clarity and flow. Thank you for being here and for giving yourself this time of healing and release.